Today I'm bringing you this Smitch security camera I bought on a pre-order sale from Flipkart, and this is the same as the MI cameras that we have, the same features and everything is same if you're already aware. This MRP is 2999 and the year of manufacture is September 2020. It's a pretty new product and it has the same uh, two-way communication with microphone and speaker and a memory card support. But the infrared ports, I doubt there's just one, and so it has a wall mount thing. It doesn't have a magnet. So this is all that came up in the box. The power brick, the USB cable, and the wall mount screws. This is a pretty short and simple user manual. So if you've already used the MI cameras, it's the same procedure. And see. So as far as the product is concerned, the plastic quality is okay. It's not good, but I feel that if you're gonna drop this or a couple of times, it's going to get some cracks on it. And apart from that, it has a micro USB connector and a micro SD card slot for 64 GB. You in a normal USB charger or a power bank if you have one. So probably a 10,000 mAh power bank will give you a backup of around 5 to 6 hours, or maybe higher if you have a bigger variant of it. And so here we have this power indicator which shows it's on or in the pairing mode, or connecting, or in standby. And on the top we have the LED. So let's power it on, and I have reset it second time so that I can show you this pairing procedure. So this is a app from them. It's Smitch Secure. You just have to give the default permissions for audio, for your microphone and the camera to work up, and vice versa. So let's go through this and finish it up. So like a standard QR code, you can scan this directly facing the camera and it will recognize your device. Tried this a couple of times and it failed initially, but then later it's working fine. You'll have to connect this on the same Wi-Fi network while pairing that your phone is on. So we are in the app, and the app is straightforward. There are not so many options that we have in other apps, as in the MI's Xiaomi Home. So I just okay. The camera is connected now. Okay, I don't have a SD card right now. So let's see. Yes, so far so good. The quality is not up to the mark. Maybe I need to change it to high definition. Yeah, motion detection is working. So we have some options in the app like the device name, motion detection, sensitivity, video orientation if you want to turn it upside down, LED indicator on. And motion detection, there's an interesting feature. You can mark down the areas where you want your motion detection to work on the screen. And that's really useful because it will cut out the unnecessary motion that you have. I have updated the software as well. There was a new update available today. You can change your time settings and record in SD, HD, what you prefer. So this camera doesn't have a sharing option at the moment. Let's get to the bottom of this. We are going to wall mount this and I'll show you how I do this after I have successfully done it. So there's a little issue. I can see the camera is bending the cable. So it's not an issue if you keep the camera stable, but if you keep using it and moving it around, there's definitely going to be some dent on this cable. Design wise, it looks pretty cool. It's better than other cameras that we have, and I really appreciate the effort Smitch has made. Plastic looks a little inferior on the other hand, and I really wanted a black colored charging cable if the camera was black, but it's okay. It's only for 999, and I really like the price. So we have the two movements that we have. One is the circular motion, and one is the up and down. So that makes it very efficient in real-time use. You can put it in any angle, or you can even change angles when it's wall mounted. I have done this on my exterior of my house and just finished doing this. So it gives me a view of my interior as well as the road. So to summarize this unboxing and the first impressions, there are two or three things that I didn't like about this camera. One is the less number of IR blasting LEDs, the plastic grate, and the main thing that I didn't like is there is no sharing option. You cannot share this with others. You cannot share the live stream. You cannot share the motion detection alerts with other members. You can only see them on your phone because this only connects to your Google or Facebook or email account. So once I try to log in on another phone, it logs me out from the first one. So that's one thing, but that's not a big issue if you are the only one who wants to take control. So the mounting mechanism and the angle change that the camera is offering is a pretty nice thing. So we can actually after wall mounting, you can change the positions and change as per your convenience, which most of the other cameras did not have. Also, in the area selection and motion selection, you can select the area like the pathway or the door area which you exactly want to monitor and leave aside the other areas that you don't want to monitor for alarm. So you might have seen a lot of unnecessary motion alarms are triggered with a car crossing on the road or something like that. So you can cut off those things. And the best part is the price, which is 999. And I think so this price will increase after this big billion day sales are finished. So go ahead and grab this. You can pre-order it or you can buy it now because it's available for buy now option with the buy now option right now. So you have the link in the description and you can use it to purchase the item.